The Tata Punch facelift is a significant update to Tata's compact SUV, bringing modern styling and upgraded features. Here's a detailed look. Launch timeline. Expected launch, July 2025. Price, estimated between 6 rupees to 11 lakh rupees ex-showroom. Exterior updates. Revised front fascia with split LED headlamps and sleek LED DRLs. Redesigned grille and bumper for a refreshed look. New alloy wheels and possibly new color options. Interior enhancements. Larger infotainment screen, possibly 10.25 inches. Twin-spoke steering wheel with illuminated Tata logo. Fully digital instrument cluster. Touch-based HVAC controls for a premium feel. Features like wireless charging, automatic climate control, and a sunroof. Engine and performance. Continuation of the 1.2-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine producing around 86 PS and 113 Nm. Transmission. 5-speed manual and AMT options. Expected to comply with updated emission norms. Additional features. Enhanced safety with more airbags and updated tech like a 360-degree camera. Improved connectivity options with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Rear AC vents and better seating comfort. This facelift aims to make the Punch even more competitive in the compact SUV market. Let me know if you need details on specific aspects.